Oh, look at that tower. What are you going to do with that? You going to hop towards it? Jenga! Oh, kerplunk! Ow! She's like, I'm supporting the building. Billy, she's fine. What's on the blocks? They're animals? What's on that one? Oh, you don't want to show me? The wolf block and the monkey block. Yeah, wolf and monkey. They seem to be your favorites. One by one.
This is a zebra.
So that's kind of hard to say.
I don't know what it is.
Looks like a little cougar cub.
Look, it's a monkey. Yeah.
Okay, your steering wheel doesn't want to play with your blocks, and your steering wheel needs to stay in your Jeep. You need to stop pulling that out of the Jeep. There you go. Help brother build. Go ahead. You help Billy build the pyramid type thing. No. You wanted to put the one block, couldn't get it, and now you're done. Ooh, look at that. One block at a time.
That was two.
Can you help build? Oh, you're gonna look at your animal friend. Whoa! Talk about some demo! Bella, get your nose out of the way. Got her tail's in the way.